Dropping nearly $49,000 on a new SUV represents a massive financial commitment for most families. Unfortunately, slick advertising campaigns and dealership charm can sometimes hide the truth about vehicles that come with ongoing headaches. Glossy brochures highlight horsepower and features, but they rarely mention the reliability concerns that could turn your dream vehicle into a financial nightmare. That's precisely where independent testing and owner feedback become invaluable. We've analyzed the latest Consumer Reports data, which combines real-world owner experiences with rigorous testing protocols to bring you the 12 SUVs with the worst reliability records for 2026. These aren't just minor inconveniences. We're talking about vehicles with documented patterns of significant mechanical failures, electrical gremlins, and design flaws that can cost thousands in repairs. Before you step into a dealership or click Buy Now online, take a few minutes to review these models. The information might save you from years of frustration and unexpected repair bills. Number 12. Jeep Compass. The Compass catches your eye at first glance. Those aggressive lines, the off-road styling, and that legendary Jeep emblem all promise adventure. But dig beneath the surface, and you'll find a track record that tells a different story. This compact SUV has been limping along since its second-generation debut back in 2017. 8 years later, it's basically the same vehicle with minor cosmetic tweaks. Consumer Reports scored it at just 33 out of 100 for reliability, which speaks volumes about the ongoing issues Jeep hasn't addressed. Owners consistently mention excessive oil consumption as a major concern. Some report their engines burning through oil at alarming rates between service intervals. The turbocharged engine struggles with lag and power delivery, particularly during hot summer months when you need reliable performance most. The transmission doesn't inspire confidence either, with jerky shifts and clutches wearing out prematurely. Even the suspension shows fatigue faster than expected on anything but smooth pavement, which undermines the whole rugged SUV promise. The Uconnect infotainment system adds another layer of frustration to daily ownership. Screen freezes, glitches, and safety features that don't always work properly are common complaints from frustrated owners. If you're shopping for a compact SUV, plenty of better options exist in this segment that won't leave you stranded at the service department. Number 11. Chevrolet Blazer. Chevy's midsize offering starts just north of $37,000 and comes with your choice of a turbocharged 4-cylinder or a more powerful V6. The current version launched in 2019 and continues unchanged for 2025, carrying forward all its established problems. On paper, it seems like a solid choice with competitive pricing and decent features. In practice, owners report concerning issues that turn ownership into a headache. Engine stalling tops the complaint list, often traced back to fuel delivery problems, ignition faults, or sensor failures. Sometimes, the electronic control unit is the culprit, creating unpredictable and potentially dangerous situations on busy roads. The transmission deserves special mention for all the wrong reasons: hard shifting, hesitation during acceleration, and in some cases, complete failure well before the vehicle should need major repairs. These aren't minor annoyances. Transmission replacements cost thousands of dollars. Turbocharger problems and various technology glitches round out the picture of a vehicle that promises more than it delivers. Consumer Reports assigned the 2025 Blazer a reliability rating of just 32 out of 100, landing it firmly in the bottom tier of midsize SUVs for dependability. Number 10. GMC Yukon. GMC positions the Yukon as a premium full-size SUV, with prices starting around $60,000 and luxury variants climbing past $90,000. At that price point, buyers reasonably expect bulletproof reliability. Instead, they're discovering some unpleasant surprises. The powertrain generates the most complaints, along with electrical system issues that frustrate owners who paid premium prices. The 6.2-liter V8 engine, in particular, has developed a reputation for problems related to its active fuel management system. Lifter and bearing failures can occur, sometimes severe enough to require complete engine replacement. Transmission troubles appear frequently in owner reports, including slipping and harsh gear changes. One recall involves the performance air intake option, where some vehicles left the factory without required emissions equipment. An active recall covers certain 2021 to 2024 Yukons for manufacturing defects affecting the connecting rod or crankshaft, which can lead to catastrophic engine damage. That kind of reputation doesn't disappear overnight. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Yukon a reliability score of 31 out of 100, placing this full-size SUV near the bottom of its class. Number 9. Chevrolet Tahoe. The Tahoe shares its DNA with the GMC Yukon, built on the same platform with the same engine options. Unfortunately, it also shares many of the same reliability concerns. Electrical bugs, infotainment freezes, and sensor malfunctions appear regularly in owner complaints. The powertrain issues mirror those found in the Yukon, including transmission slipping and the potential for lifter and bearing failures in the 6.2-liter V8 that can necessitate major engine work. Consumer Reports rated the 2025 Tahoe at 31 out of 100 for reliability, putting it right alongside the Yukon as one of the least dependable full-size SUVs currently available. Number 8. Dodge Hornet plug-in hybrid. The Hornet wears American badges but tells an Italian story. It's essentially a rebadged Alfa Romeo Tonale, with prices starting in the mid-$30,000 range and climbing close to $50,000 for the plug-in hybrid variant. The market has spoken, and it's not saying good things. Dealer lots are crowded with Hornets, averaging 266 days of inventory, and the buyers who did take one home aren't happy. The hybrid system has proven problematic, with weak power delivery, persistent check engine lights, and software issues that create random warnings and infotainment freezes. Safety systems malfunction with concerning frequency. Interior quality disappoints with cheap materials and squeaks that appear far too early in ownership. Recalls have already hit tens of thousands of Hornets for a brake defect where the pedal can disengage under pressure. Consumer Reports scored the 2025 Hornet at just 30 out of 100 for reliability, cementing its position as one of the year's most troublesome compact SUVs. Number 7. Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler carries legendary status as an off-road icon, but the 2025 model demonstrates that even legends can stumble. Steering remains a persistent issue, with owners reporting wandering behavior on highways and a loose feeling at higher speeds. Suspension components wear prematurely for what's supposed to be a rugged, trail-ready vehicle. The infotainment system suffers from frequent glitches, frozen screens, and random resets. The plug-in hybrid 4xe model adds charging problems to the mix. Consumer Reports assigned the 2025 Wrangler a reliability score of just 27 out of 100. Number 6. Volkswagen Taos. The 2025 Taos arrives with some updates, including a new 8-speed automatic transmission for front-wheel drive models. New owners are still discovering plenty of frustrations. Performance stands out as the primary weakness. With only 158 horsepower, the Taos feels underpowered when carrying passengers or cargo. The throttle response behaves unpredictably, creating constant lurching at low speeds. The 8-speed transmission struggles to select appropriate gears, making city driving unnecessarily irritating. Electrical gremlins appear throughout the vehicle, from infotainment freezes to random warning lights. Interior quality falls short of expectations, with cheap plastics and rattles showing up early in ownership. Recalls have already addressed fuel system and electrical concerns, highlighting the model's shaky reliability foundation. Consumer Reports rated the 2025 Taos at just 24 out of 100. ranking it among the least dependable subcompact SUVs available. Number 5. Volkswagen Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport. Volkswagen's larger SUV offerings continue the brand's reliability struggles. The Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport share many of the same issues plaguing their smaller sibling. The powertrain deserves criticism. Volkswagen eliminated the V6 option, leaving only the 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. While the specifications look acceptable on paper, owners report hesitation, lag, and rough shifts from the 8-speed automatic, particularly at lower speeds. Electrical and infotainment glitches have become a Volkswagen trademark. Frozen screens, lagging controls, and random warning lights make ownership feel less premium than the near $40,000 starting price suggests. Interior quality generates complaints as well. Cheap plastics, rattles, and premature wear don't inspire confidence. Both the Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport received a reliability score of 24 out of 100 from Consumer Reports. Number 4. Jeep Wagoneer. Jeep's largest SUV entered the market in 2022 to compete with the Tahoe, Yukon, and Expedition. Despite its premium positioning and luxury touches, owners report frustrations that undermine the high price tag. Electrical problems top the complaint list. Malfunctioning driver assistance features and glitchy infotainment systems appear frequently in a model marketed for its modern technology. Powertrain concerns add to owner frustration. The Wagoneer now uses Jeep's twin-turbocharged inline-six engine instead of the previous Hemi V8. Early adopters have flagged engine trouble, warning lights, and reliability concerns with the new setup. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Wagoneer a reliability score of just 22 out of 100, making it one of the least dependable full-size SUVs this year. Number 3. Ford Escape Hybrid. The Escape Hybrid promises strong fuel economy and family-friendly practicality, but reliability issues are leaving many owners dissatisfied. The hybrid system creates rough transitions when switching between gasoline and electric power. Battery malfunctions raise concerns about expensive repairs once warranty coverage expires. Electronic problems pile on additional frustration. Infotainment glitches, frozen screens, and random warning lights appear regularly. Driver assistance features, like lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, behave inconsistently. Interior quality falls short compared to competitors like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid. Cheap plastics, rattles, and premature wear diminish its value proposition. Consumer Reports rated the 2025 Escape Hybrid at just 21 out of 100, earning the dubious distinction of least dependable hybrid SUV this year. Number 2. Mazda CX-70 PHEV and CX-90 PHEV. Mazda's new plug-in hybrid SUVs were meant to showcase the brand's upmarket ambitions, combining premium interiors with efficient powertrains. Instead, they've stumbled badly right out of the gate. The hybrid system generates the most serious problems. Owners report check engine lights, charging failures, and sudden power loss that raise questions about long-term durability. Some drivers describe the vehicles as undrivable until the system resets. Software quality hasn't met expectations either. The infotainment and digital displays suffer from glitches, lag, and system crashes. Driver assistance technology behaves inconsistently, and recalls have already hit early production runs. Consumer Reports assigned the 2025 CX-70 PHEV and CX-90 PHEV a reliability score of just 15 out of 100, making them the second most unreliable SUVs of the year. Number 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee PHEV. Taking the top spot on Consumer Reports' list of most unreliable SUVs is the Jeep Grand Cherokee and its plug-in hybrid 4xe variant. Despite its iconic nameplate and premium pricing, the 2025 model suffers from reliability issues that buyers simply cannot ignore. The plug-in hybrid system has proven especially troublesome. Owners report charging failures, sudden warning lights, and powertrain breakdowns that leave the SUV sitting at the dealership. Some describe repeated service visits with no permanent solution. The conventional gasoline models don't escape criticism either. Electrical glitches, random stalling, and sensor malfunctions appear frequently in owner reports. Transmission hesitation and rough shifting add to the list of concerns. Consumer Reports delivered the harshest verdict of all, a reliability score of just 12 out of 100, the absolute worst rating of any SUV for 2025 based on owner surveys and available data.